Located in the heart of downtown Vancouver is The Spot, Unit 408-933 Syemour. An all-loft high-rise building that has an excellent investment opportunity. This one-bedroom, two-level loft showcases an efficient and open floor plan, soaring 15-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, new flooring, and fresh paint. There is an ideal flow from the kitchen to the dining area, and then onto the bright and spacious living room. There's a perfect spot for a home office or a reading nook just beneath the open staircase. The top floor is home to the primary bedroom with a large walk-in closet. This home is complete with in-suite laundry, a balcony, and secured underground parking. The Spot is a pet-friendly building which allows short-term rentals, and it's in an ultimate downtown location with theaters, art galleries, shopping on Robson and Granville Street only minutes away, plus numerous cafes, restaurants, and transit are at your doorstep.